Come on. Good morning, Shorty. Hi, baby. 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 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Alright, family, let's go look at some houses. I want you to help me choose, so please pay close attention to every house. I'm going to try my best to tell you the things that I like about each house, so please pay close attention. Also, family, please like the video if you enjoy this house hunting series. If you can get this video to 10,000 likes, I'm going to do 3 or 4 more, and I'm going to announce the state or city or house that I'm choosing next. So please get the video to 10K likes, and also comment your favorite house below. All right, let's look at house number 1. Family, this is the model of the new construction that I'm looking at. This is beautiful, y'all. It's nicely decorated. I love the little touches of green everywhere. You can't see it. It doesn't look like green, but it's actually green, maybe from this angle. Yeah, it's really, really nice, y'all. It's so pretty. I love the high ceilings. That's Mom. The bookshelves reminds me of the place I already have, with the fireplace in the middle and the bookshelves on the ends. It's a pretty open floor plan. It looks a little cluttered in here because this is also their office. As you can see, they have their printing and fax machine there. They have all their stuff here, but and then some of their paperwork. It's the model, but it's also their office, so they work out of here. But yes, this is really nice. They have little corners and sitting nooks, you know, beautiful spots here. Gives you an idea of what you can do. This is what I was talking about with the green. They have a lot of green touches here. The kitchen is nice and open. They have this little nook here. I'm not sure what this is, but it's really, really nice. And it's nicely decorated too. All right. And then I'm guessing this is the dining area. Nice, very, very nice. And then over here, this is like the butler's pantry. It's beautiful. I love that mirror. And then here, I think this would serve like an office area, I think. Nice bookshelf there. And then the deck is out here. It's pretty big. We're not gonna go out there, but yeah, that's what that deck looks like. And then let's work our way upstairs. Let's go upstairs first. These are just bathrooms and pantries. Well, let's see. Yeah, it's a bathroom. And then this, I'm guessing, is a little pantry. Yeah, it's a tiny little pantry. And all right, so this is the upstairs, or the road to upstairs. Let's go there. They have beautiful art pieces in here. Of course, it's the model, so. Oh, this master bedroom is gorgeous. Oh my God, it's huge. huge. Look at this. It's huge. Wow. It has a little sitting area. Ooh, these chairs are beautiful. Very nice. Oh man, these are so nice. Ah, these are so nice. Family, look at this. And the art pieces in here are gorgeous. They put a lot of money into it to try to get you to buy it. The bathroom, it's not the biggest, but it's a pretty good size. And it only has a shower. And what is this? Maybe the toilet. Yes. All right, let's go to the other bedroom. Well, let's do the closet first. Oh my goodness. It's not super huge, but it's a pretty good size. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Laundry room. Linen closet. Half bath. All right, family, so this is the downstairs of this house. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath townhome. But see what I mean when I say townhomes are like regular single family homes, but just less work. As I said, I'm only interested in townhomes at the moment. Maybe my mind will change later, but at the moment, I'm only interested in townhomes. And I've already explained why. If you haven't seen that video, please click on yesterday's video. All right, family, so this is the bottom part of this house. It has a bedroom, a living room, a full bathroom, closet. It has the mud room. And it also has a sitting area. So it is a pretty big house, but it's a townhome. And again, this is what I love about it. All right, family, this is house number 1. It's not usually my style. It is a beautiful, newly renovated ranch. It is gutted and basically turned into a brand new house. And my realtor, she knows that I don't like ranches, but she's like, Mercy, you gotta see this one. So maybe there's something about it because it is a brand new. She knows I want something more, on the newer side or at least not too old. And this is what they've done here. So she really wanted me to just come see it. Just have an open heart, open mind, and come see it. I think this used to be the garage, but they converted it as part of the house. And this is the entryway. My realtor's not here yet, so I'm a little early. But I'm gonna go ahead and peek. It looks really cute from the inside. This is the front door, and they just have some really nice modern design. Let me show you a little bit of the neighborhood. It's a cute little neighborhood, but again, the houses around here are ranches. I don't really like ranches. That's my car parked in the driveway. There's no garage because again, they converted the garage. But just look at this. It's nice and quiet. I don't know if you hear the bird. It's nice and quiet. It's wooded. It definitely has a yard. Beautiful, beautiful, quiet neighborhood. So let's see what this one has to offer. We have to wait for the realtor to get here. This is the bathroom. Oh my goodness, so cute. So cute. And then, yeah, this is the master. You can fit a king in here. And a little sitting area. That's a cute little open floor plan. A little coffee nook. Hallway here. Hall bath. Everything is brand new. Another room. What is it? What is? Look at this kitchen. This is real cute. A little cutting board. Oh, another little room. So this is the garage that was converted into another living space. How cute. And a little mud room. Oh, washer dryer. It's a washer dryer room. And then the outside. It's cute, yeah. All right, family, so let's head on to house number 3. House number 3 is one of my favorite. Oh my God, this is a beautiful house in a beautiful neighborhood with a beautiful view from every single angle. Okay, so this house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with 3 different levels, and the entry level is where the first bedroom is, and I'll show you that here in a minute. This is a townhome that was newly renovated, and this townhome was actually built a while back, so you will be able to see the quality. Look at that door. Look at the shower. I didn't even do this bathroom justice. Oh my God, it was so beautiful. Look at the floors. Okay, look at this bedroom. Like, just look at everything. This is not a new build. And I don't want it to sound like I have anything against new build. As I said in my last video, new builds are nice. They're good for what they're good for, right? They are brand new. All of the systems are brand new. The hot water heater, the AC system, the stove, the refrigerator, you know, the roof, everything is brand new. However, new builds are cheaply made and cheaply put together. And what I mean by that is from the doors to the floors to the cabinets, even the countertops, everything is cheap. And these houses are built so fast. But the thing is, a lot of people are interested in new builds now. So they are way, way more expensive than what they should be. So if you bought a new build, you would get less for your money than if you bought something that was already existing, right? Anyway, don't get me wrong. I love new builds. As I said, they're good for what they're good for. I just think that older homes have a lot more character, and this one has so much character. Look at the walls, okay? Look at the characters from the renovation. Look at the countertop. Look at the floors. The floors, you guys. Like, this is beautiful. I'm moving the camera so fast, and I apologize about that, but I was just so excited looking at this house. Actually, a fun fact, they had an open house for this house. And when I came to that open house, it was choked packed. Like, it was so full of people. Everybody wanted to see this house. It was nicely decorated, as you can see here. It is in a beautiful neighborhood. They have a pool. They have I think it's gated, if I remember correctly. I think this one is gated. And it's just, I can't even talk. It was just so beautiful. Again, one of the reasons I love townhomes is because you don't have to worry about a lot of things, especially the things that you have to worry about with a single family home. And I'm in the stage of my life where I don't want to worry about anything. I want to be able to just get up and go. With a townhome, not all of them, but most of them have something called a homeowners association fee. That means you pay a certain amount of money every month, and you don't have to worry about anything when it comes to the outside of the house, and some of the things inside of the house as well. But usually it's the outside. So let's say that community has a pool. You never have to worry about doing anything with the pool. The HOA takes care of that. Let's say there's something with your roof. The HOA takes care of that. Anything with landscaping, cutting grass, planting flowers, just anything on the outside of the building, you don't have to worry about at all. Your only concern is the inside of the building. And that is all I want to do. I just want to decorate. I want to look pretty, and I want to be done. I don't want to have to worry about cutting grass, worry about changing my roof or anything like that. So that is one of the reasons at this stage of my life, I am looking more towards a townhome versus a single family home. This home was so beautiful, y'all. It was gorgeous. The floors, the ceiling, the walls, the details, everything was just so beautiful. So I'm excited to show you all a lot more of the home tours that I've done here. And also, as I said, if you get this video to 10K likes, 10,000 likes, I will do something special, okay? Something special for you all. So please go ahead and hit that like button right now. Make sure to share the video, and also make sure to let me know which one of the houses you like below. All right, family? So that is it for today's video, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss another video. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.